Jatend migao Mathias Susan Nakhumicha ochiwo line chenro mar SHIF makawo thuolo mar SHIF. Kanolose tipo mar Citizen noyango ni chenro no biro chako ndiko jokenya dwe mar adek higani obiro kelo konyruok ne ji duto. Nakhumicha omedo ni chenro no mar SHIF biro chulo thieth ne tuoche mang'eny kopogore kod SHIF. Bende omedo ni chenro mar SHIF biro konyo rango tuoche kapok othiedhgi. Gino ma bende SHIF ne onge godo ka bende odhi chunga ne thieth duto e atamalo 100.
Deductions will only begin after we have finalized with the regulations. Public participation has been done. We have gone to the Committee on Delegated Legislation, and the Attorney General has given us a go-ahead. We will gazette the regulations. That is when deductions will begin. Our projection, because we know many Kenyans are suffering and would like to benefit from this cover, we project at least to be up and running by 1st of March. If we are able to do it earlier than that, the better for Kenyans. We want to ensure that if you go to a facility, you should at least find a health worker. If you go to a facility, you should find commodities in that facility, and therefore you don't need to move. If the public insurance is working for all Kenyans, then the need for private insurance will be reduced.